Hey there! Welcome to Product Marketing School. I'm your host, Nitin Karthik. As Director of Product Marketing and a top product marketing voice, I'm keenly aware of the importance of continually sharpening the saw. And that is why on this show, I bring you important lessons from some of the best product marketers out there. Today, my friends, we are joined by Gerard, who is the head of product marketing at WorkHuman and a top product marketing voice. Tell us, Katie, what's one important lesson that we can learn from your experience?
Absolutely. Thank you so much for having me. So WorkHuman is the second company where I've helped really grow the product marketing function from scratch and really grow that team really rapidly. So the one piece of advice I want to give is when you are coming into a new organization, especially one that's already fairly established and large, it's easy to just get pulled into doing tasks because there's this huge backlog of product marketing tasks that people want to have done. So sales is coming to you, marketing is coming to you, everyone's pulling you in a million different directions. My recommendation is take the time to properly onboard. You have no credibility as a product marketer if you don't understand everything about the market, about the competitors, about the product, and about your customer. So you can go around, right, completing all these tasks, but you will not have the respect of your cross-functional stakeholders and senior leadership unless you have that insight, right? So one thing I like to recommend is get to know your customers. If you're in a meeting talking about what the next step in a product should be, and you're able to pipe up and say, hey, I have this customer friend, and that customer told me that they felt this way about this or that way about that, it gives you so much credibility versus just ticking off everything on your to-do list. So that's my advice. And I've definitely fallen into this trap myself. When you think of yourself as a high achiever and you want to just get everything done, but then you don't spend that time to master the fundamentals, and it can really harm your credibility in your career later on.
Wow, very well said, Katie. I can also relate to that. I think we've all been guilty, like you said, where I think there's a saying that credibility is earned. We have to command it. We don't demand it from others. And just because we're product marketers doesn't mean that people necessarily believe us. Wonderful advice. So, Katie, thank you. That was excellent. So there you have it, my friends. Armed with that lesson, onward and upward.